Welcome to Mellowbites.
I'm Varga.
And I'm Porna.
Today we're going to make bloopers video.
Today we're having bloopers and I hope you have a fun time laughing at it. So the first one we have is
repeat.
Yeah, we usually repeat the dialogues in one shot like 5 times. It's so crazy.
Yeah.
Repeat.
Brown chili roast is ready.
Prawn chili roast is ready. Prawn chili roast is ready and it's delicious.
While the chicken is being marinating, let's start making the lettuce wraps for While the chicken is getting marinated, let's start making for the chicken lettuce wraps. While the chicken is getting marinated, let's start making the stuffing for the chicken lettuce wraps.
The secret to make the secret
masala to make country chicken feast.
The secret masala to make country chicken feast is right over here.
Record bunny.
So why our shots look nice? Because we do editing. And you're gonna see a few funny shots without editing because these shots look like we're mental. In our New Year video, it was really nice to watch the first shot.
Yeah.
It was like super fun.
Yes, super funny.
Yeah, and Vargo strikes some amazing poses. But you're gonna see how that originally looked like with no editing at all.
Yeah.
Tell them how it looks like.
It looks like this.
Change. Change. Change.
Okay, we change another
Change. 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 Change.
So my mom rushes all the shootings to make the preparation fast, and it's super irritating.
She just wants to get done with the shoot. But
Yeah,
we're in the party mood during the shooting. Ow. We're in party mood and we just like take our time. But she's like, we need to finish this. Bye. Let's watch some of that. And sometimes she's pretty serious about not burning the food.
Oven roasted vegetables is ready for lunch. Do try it at your home and you all will definitely love it. Thanks for watching and bye.
Bye. So up next, this shot was from our banana pancakes video on the same day of the shoot, but we didn't post it because it looks horrible, and even without editing or with editing, it looks really funny.
We're like,
So let's take a look into that.
Bananas.
Oats.
Robbie.
Okay.
On YouTube. Guess who does all the silly and stupid things during the shoot?
It's me.
Vargo does most of the silly things. He does some funny, crazy actions, or he tastes some things that aren't supposed to be tasted. So let's watch Vargo's funny bloopers.
So all the 3 color popsicles are ready in just 5 minutes.
Yeah, now it's time to put these in the freezer. You can like leave them for
Overnight?
overnight or 6 hours. Let's see you next day. Hi, Footies.
Off time.
Action.
Hi, Footies. Welcome to Mellowbites. I'm Porna.
Come on, don't dream. Let me cook. Let's start. Okay, ma.
Let's start.
Bye.
Wow, why not open it?
Hey, I must open it.
So hope you guys enjoyed these bloopers.
Still, we didn't post a lot of bloopers.
Yeah, those are gonna be secretive because according to a few reasons, they're not. I don't want to get them out because I will embarrass myself, and they are not approved by me. So hope you guys like these bloopers. Hope you had a nice time laughing at them. So thank you for watching. Bye.